Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have easy and budget friendly home decor DIYs. I think these turned out beautiful and I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For the tray, I will be using this charger plate. This is a rectangular one. When I first thought of doing this, I did want this to be galvanized since this is already gray. So that is what I did first. I grabbed my Waverly chalk paint in elephant and I just started distressing it. But I do end up changing this, but I wanted to just show you both options. They both look beautiful. For the handles, I will be using this toy. I got this during Halloween from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this and cut it in half. If you don't have this, Dollar Tree carries so many different things you can use, like nautical rope, beads, or even if you want, you can go to a hardware store and just buy two handles and use those. Once I am done cutting them, I'm going to stain these as well, or distress them, I'm sorry, just so it can match the tray. And I'm going to use E6000 and hot glue to glue both of these. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know. And that is it for this DIY. I think this turned out beautiful. Like I said, I did end up painting mine with a spray paint, but I do think both of them turned out beautiful. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. My next DIY is perfect for the tray. So from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of their decor. The one I'm using is from fall, but Dollar Tree right now is carrying the Valentine's or St. Patrick ones you can use instead. I'm going to start off by just sanding all the glitter off because I am going to add a paper on it and I want this to be smooth. I'm using a scrap paper from Hobby Lobby. This is a wood plank one. As you can see, I don't have enough to fit this, but I do always make it work. I'm going to start off by just tracing the top first, and then I'm going to trace another piece of that paper for the bottom. And guys, once I am done gluing this, you can't even tell I patched this.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me.
The next item I will be using is a wood plank, and I got this little package from Dollar Tree from the Crafter Square, 6 come in a pack. I'm only using one of them, and I'm going to stain this using the Waverly Antique Wax. As you can see, I added a little bit of water just so I can make this lighter.
Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us.
As y'all can see, I did add way too much water, so I just used a napkin to clean that up. This also removed a lot of the paint, so it made it so much lighter. The next thing I will be using is my transfer sticker sheet that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the word family out, and I was planning to use these other rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, but I ended up doing my own little wreath using the Dollar Tree jute cord and some boxwood greenery from Walmart.
No need to fight it. I cannot hide it.
Now once I have the circle, I am going to start gluing the boxwood greenery all around, and I did leave a little space in between two of them, the last two, because I will be adding a bow. Now that I have my wreath, I am going to transfer the word family, and I'm going to put it more towards the center. I do want to add a bow at the bottom of my little wreath, or actually more towards the top.
It's all about us. We're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about love.
Once I am done doing the wreath, I'm going to glue it to my little sign. And after that, I decided to add the letter G for my future last name. This is a wood letter from Dollar Tree. I did paint it black to match the word family.
It's all about us.
For the bow, I will be using this Dollar Tree ribbon.
Oh, oh, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us.
Now the last thing I will be doing is gluing this to the frame. And that is it, guys. I think this turned out beautiful, and it looks so beautiful on the tray. My next DIY is another easy and beautiful decor that is perfect for the tray. Now from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these tea light candle holders. I'm going to remove the lid and paint the jar using some white chalk paint. It says homemade at the front, so I am going to use a piece of scent sheet just to sand that down so you can be able to read that.
I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to read.
To make this look a little bit taller, I am going to glue the lid to the bottom like that. It is going to have like a little base. I'm only using hot glue, but if you want to make this more sturdy, you can use E6000 or just a heavier duty glue. Now for the top part, I decided to glue some jute string around it. You can leave it like that if you want, but I think it looks so much better if you cover that top part. Once I am done gluing it, I am going to use a lighter to burn some of the fuzzies.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher.
The last thing I did was add a bow that I made using the same ribbon I used in my last DIY.
So far, yeah. And I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. Like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again.
For the greenery, I'm using a boxwood pick from Walmart, and look how beautiful this looks. It looks so pretty and it's perfect for the tray.
I better get started. It's time to get.
My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using the little teaser game. I used this in one of my previous videos. I do have a lot of these little block beads. I'm using 4 for this one. I'm going to start by gluing all the blocks together. And as you can see, these have holes, so I am making sure that those are to the back. The next thing I will be doing is adding L and leaving the second one empty, and then adding B and E at the end. These are the Dollar Tree stickers. I am going to just leave the one after L blank. This is where O should go, but I decided to add some of the boxwood greenery. I just want this to match the rest of my other DIYs. So I am going to cut 2 of these and then just stack them together to make it look more fuller and bigger. And the last thing I did was just glue it to where the O is supposed to go. And that is it for this tiny and cute little DIY. I think it's beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know that in the comment section which one was your favorite one. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.